Welcome back. So we've all been spending a lot of time at home for the past several months, and you may have noticed some things you'd like to replace or upgrade. If some of those are bad windows or patio doors, design consultant at Renewal by Andersen, Sam Kane, and his team can actually help you there. I chatted with Sam on ways that you can actually make your home more comfortable and safer. I'm thinking now more than ever, we need to feel safe and secure in our homes. So how do your windows fulfill this need?
All of our windows are made from our exclusive composite material called Fibrex. It's a combination of wood and thermopolymers. It is twice as strong as vinyl, so our windows are incredibly rigid and durable. Plus, we use compression seals in our windows, much like you find on your refrigerator doors. So the energy efficiency of our windows ensures that our weather-tight seals stay weather-tight. So the strength and energy efficiency of our windows helps prevent allergens, dust, outside products coming into your home.
So the first thing a lot of people notice about Renewal by Andersen's windows is how beautiful they are, and every one of them is custom built, correct?
That is right. We custom build windows and patio doors that will wow your neighbors. Our windows will give your home a stylish new appearance, if you like, all the while looking like they've always been a part of your home. And if you have an historical appearance to your house that you like to preserve, we can absolutely do that too.
And Renewal by Andersen also has a glass that factors into the home's overall comfort. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. It's our high-performance, low E4 smart sunglass. It's our most energy-efficient glass. In fact, it's 70% more efficient than dual-pane glass. Plus, it can help protect items in your home from the sun's harsh UV rays, like carpet, floors, furniture, and drapes. It's really, really excellent.
And then what if most homeowners still don't want people going in and out of their home at this time? How does your business model make sure that this doesn't happen?
Yes. For starters, we control every step in the process, from the consultation and sale through the installation, warranty, and service. So you're only having to deal with one company from start to finish. And we want to assure people that their health and safety is our top priority. So for our in-home appointments, we follow the CDC's most strict guidelines, and we take every precaution possible. However, if somebody doesn't want to have us in their home at this time, we totally understand. We are now able to do virtual appointments with customers so that they can have an online meeting with one of our design consultants to design their windows and doors and come up with an exact price.
Let's say that somebody has a meeting and they decide they want to move forward. Do you offer different financing options to make this project even more affordable for people?
Yes, we do. We understand that this is a challenging time for some homeowners, and we want to do everything we can to help them get their project done. So we have financing options to fit all kinds of budgets. In some cases, people can get their project done with low monthly payments, so they're able to get the entire project done and still save some money. It's funny because we have people every day that tell us they want to pay with cash or a check, but once they see our many finance options, they choose to finance with us.
This month, Renewal by Andersen has a special offer at a time when so many people could use it. Buy one window or patio door and you'll get 40% off of your next one. That's with no money down and no interest for 3 years. Don't miss out on this limited time deal that ends May 31st. Call 913-228-3311 or visit renewalbyandersen.com to schedule your free in-home or virtual appointment.